What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is DJ Ninja 254 on YouTube. If this is your first time, kindly consider to subscribe on this channel. If you are the viewer who always comes back to watch my videos, thank you so much for being there. So in today's video, I want to talk about the sorry guys, this is firewood. So in this video, I want to talk about the misconceptions of Africans concerning Jamaicans. This is firewood that has already been split. This one goes for $0.07 each one of them. Like this one, $0.07. That is 10 Kenyan shillings. This is where we do stay. We are renting it out, and these are some of the logs of wood that are yet to be split. Guys, it's almost 7 over these sides. This is the western side of Kenya. Kenya is a country in Eastern Africa. My daughter wants us to take a walk. Twende. So Kenya, guys, it's a country in eastern side of Africa. And Kenya is one of the countries that is really famous for producing great marathoners. And actually today is one of the saddest days in the Kenya athletic industry. One of the marathoners lost his life some days back, and it is today that his burial is taking place in one of the counties in Kenya. In Kenya you have 47 counties, so the burial is taking place in Elgeyo Marakwet. This is a farm that has already been prepared, full of banana plantations. So guys, let me look for a place and then I tell you some of the misconceptions that Africans hold concerning Jamaicans. Let's walk, guys. So guys, I was trying to look for somewhere that I can sit and get to show you around. And sit and get to give you some of the misconceptions that Africans hold concerning Jamaicans, but I've not been able to. You can see people are preparing their farms. This is our neighborhood, ready for planting. Earlier on, I was talking about one of the athletes who lost his life due to an accident. He was being buried today. It is so sad. You can see that is a bathroom for someone staying here. Hatujapotea mama. Wanatuona. My child doesn't want me to record. She's saying that people will see us. This is a church, guys.
Church.
So over these sides, a lot of ballast extraction normally takes place. Bari mama. This is why you see some of these areas have been dug. There's a tarmac road just in front of us. And these are donkeys. There are some people who eat donkeys. Donkeys are actually very dangerous if you go behind it, it can knock you. Unasemaje mama? Michelle doesn't want me to record. Siogope mama, siogope. So it is evening, we're just taking a stroll. I think I'll cut it short. You can see some of the places where Maram and ballast has been extracted and some rocks have been extracted. It has been left with big holes. Guys, we're just next to the road, taking a stroll. You can see some small pathways, African village. So one of the misconceptions, guys, that most Africans, especially we Kenyans, hold against Jamaica is that most Jamaicans are Rastafarians, which is not the case. I was reading somewhere that around 70% of Jamaicans are Christians. You can imagine, Sasa is a slang, guys. These are napier grasses. And you can see some sisal depicting demarcation. It's a good house. So a high percentage of Jamaicans, guys, are Christians, not Rastafarians, as some people depict. That is one of the misconceptions held by Africans. The second one is about ganja or marijuana. Most Africans, when they come across Jamaicans, so this is a sisal for demarcation. It signifies a boundary. So most Africans, when they meet a Jamaican, one of the questions that tends to erupt is, do you smoke ganja, marijuana? Which is not the case. In fact, in some years, the drug was actually, to me that is a drug, was actually illegal in Jamaica. It was just in 2015 that the rules, or rather the regulations concerning it were made to be a bit favorable, but it's still illegal. Also in Kenya it's illegal, but you discover that majority of people are using it. It is illegal, but it is one of the drugs that is highly abused. So that is the second misconception, and which is not the case. The third is about the dreadlocks. Guys, most Africans or other Kenyans think that majority of Jamaicans have dreadlocks. That's not the case. Even though I've not been there, from the videos that I've been looking, checking, that is not the case. There are some who have dreadlocks, some who have not. And some of the Rastafarians also don't put on the dreadlocks. We're just walking around. My daughter, she's really complaining. An evening stroll, as I record on something. You can see some of the rock extraction normally takes place over here, and these are some of the big holes that are left behind. Eucalyptus tree. So that is one of the misconceptions. Another misconception is that majority of them are listening to reggae music. Actually, Jamaicans have a taste of different genres of music, not only reggae music. So that is the last misconception that Africans hold about Jamaicans. Thank you guys for staying tuned. This video was about some of the misconceptions that Africans, especially Kenyans, hold against Jamaicans. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you. See you on the next video. Cheers.